How to avoid the second-headed monster, the estate death tax. Oh my goodness. Hey there folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher. Thank you for joining me today at elderlawcare.com. Folks, today's question is how to create an estate plan. How to create an estate plan when one of the spouses is a non-US citizen. Folks, QDOT, write this down. QDOT stands for Qualified Domestic Trust. Qualified Domestic Trust. Essential tool in the elder law toolbox, folks, to have your elder law attorney create. If you or your spouse is a non-US citizen and you want to save boodles of money in tax dollars and possibly the second-headed monster, which is the estate death tax, or even gift tax come into play when one of the spouses is a non-US citizen. Really, really important, folks. And so to give you a little history of the tax laws, the US tax laws state that US citizens, both spouses being US citizens, can transfer money upon death of the first spouse. Bill and Mary. Bill does his job, he checks out first and goes up to his cloud. When Bill dies, Bill, being a US citizen, can transfer unlimited amounts of money to his US citizen spouse Mary, under the unlimited marital deduction or the unlimited marital transfer rules for married couples, okay? It's unlimited. He can transfer money to his surviving spouse and maybe not pay estate tax on the first to die under the federal tax code system for the estate death tax, okay? That being said, explore this. If Mary is a non-US citizen, they are not afforded the same benefits under the tax code as the US citizen spouse or spouses. So that being said, Mary, the non-US citizen, needs to create the QDOT, the Qualified Domestic Trust. Preferably, folks, if you are watching this video and you are not a US citizen, you want to create this QDOT, Qualified Domestic Trust, before somebody passes away. You don't want to be rushed because there's time limits and restrictions and deadlines. So the takeaway here, folks, if you are a non-US citizen, when you're creating your estate plan, you need to have your estate elder law attorney create that qualified domestic trust within your trust, preferably before either of you pass away, so you're well positioned, well prepared. So when the shoe does fall and your spouse goes up to their cloud, you're not worried about, are you going to pay too much in estate tax or possibly gift tax as well. Really, really important, folks. Again, the history of this is the US government does not want the non-US citizen, they do not want the non-US citizen going back to their home country after their spouse passes away and not paying the US federal government their due taxes. So folks, be very aware of this and take advantage of the law. The law will allow that non-US citizen spouse to create that qualified domestic trust. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, and a member of our Elder Law Care team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for joining us today at elderlawcare.com.